Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well. So slightly different video for you today, but a very exciting one nonetheless. If you have followed my channel for a while, you will know that I am a slight cleaning fanatic. I love watching speed cleaning videos, organize with me videos, deep cleaning videos. I like making those kinds of videos. I'm just a little bit obsessed. So you can imagine my excitement when Rug Doctor got in touch with me and asked if I would like to review their latest Rug Doctor product, the Deep Carpet Cleaner. It was a huge yes, if you can't tell. So yes, in this video I am going to be putting the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner to the test, giving an honest review and showing you guys how it works as well. And to be quite honest, I cannot wait to get my hands on that on my rugs, because the state of them is just well, it's just a bit disgusting, to be honest. So yeah, I'm very excited to give it a try. So some of the features that I really like about this product is that you don't have to keep going over your carpet over and over again. You can literally, it cleans it in like one pass, so you do like one sweep and then that's it. Like, you don't have to go over and over and over it. I also love the fact that there's like literally no assembly needed. I just pulled it right out of the box and it was pretty much ready to go. All I had to do was like attach the little hand tool and that was not difficult at all. If I can do it, anyone can do it. I also really like the fact that it's got a really powerful suction, which means that it doesn't leave your carpets like dripping wet. I've had carpet cleaners in the past that have like just taken forever to dry, and when you've got young children you don't have that time to like let your carpets dry. So yeah, this one cleans it and it's like pretty much moisture free straight away, so it's safe for the little ones as well. I love the fact that it has a removable hand tool, which means you can do your sofas, your stairs, like small carpeted areas. You can do your car. I am really gonna go to town with this thing and I cannot wait. Another thing I really love about it is that it's got a collapsible handle. So I was originally a bit concerned because I've hired Rug Doctors before. I've done like carpet cleaning with them before, and they've just been like massive, big, bulky things. And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, we don't have the room for this. How are we going to store it? But actually it's got like a fold down handle, which means that it's super compact for storage. So I really love that about it. And also this particular model comes with a super boost spray option. This is very exciting for me. So basically you turn a dial if you've got tougher stains or areas where like you're treading quite a lot, like a hallway for example, somewhere like that, you can stick on the super boost and it just like gives it an extra burst of clean. And yeah, I really like that option because some of our rugs and carpets are more dirty than others, so some of them I will just go over on like the normal setting, but it's nice to have the option to use the super boost on those areas where people walk a lot. So to set up my Rug Doctor, I am just going to fill up the clean water tank with hand warm water. And I'm going to add some of the Rug Doctor carpet detergent. This is dead easy to do, and then it just all clips back into place. So this is my rug before I started cleaning with the Rug Doctor. It has a few little stains on it and things like that, so I can't wait to see how it turns out. I am so impressed with that. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So I'm really happy with how this has turned out. So going back to this little red stain, it hasn't quite lifted that on the first try, so I'm going to try out the Super Boost setting on it and see if that will lift it out. So basically I've just read in the manual to use the Super Boost spray. It is just this switch here. And you just switch it to on, and then at the top here, that is the deep cleaning setting. Yeah, it says it here, look. Deep clean. So yeah, I'm going to try and give those a go and run it over the red stains on our rug and see if it lifts it up. So Right here is where the stain used to be, and you can see it because really deep in the pile you can still see a little bit there, but the kind of on top stain has completely gone. So what I'm going to do is try and use one of the products that I've been sent to get this out and see how it does. So I'm going to use these because they are quick and easy, and that's how I roll. So let's give them a go. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, it's a bit there. I mean, you saw how little I had to scrub that, didn't you? Oh, like it's just completely disappeared. These are insane. Okay, I am shocked at this. Look, I've literally done 2 rugs and look at the dirt that's come up from that. Oh my goodness, that is disgusting. Okay, so I've done my rugs and I am super happy with the results, but I want to figure out how to use the little hand tool. I've been wanting to clean our sofas for the longest time, and now I have a machine that can do it. So I have changed the detergent in the tank to this one, which is the fabric cleaner, and yeah, I'm gonna give the hand tool a go and see what it does to my sofas. I'm very excited about this. Okay, so this is how it's looking after it's just been done. So impressed and so happy with my Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. I hope you enjoyed watching me use it and seeing the results. I am actually blown away. Like, I am so happy with how my carpets and rugs and sofas have turned out. I think they look absolutely amazing. So yeah, a huge thank you to Rug Doctor for sending me such amazing goodies and for sponsoring this video. It's absolute pleasure to work with a brand that I already knew and loved. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you really enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you're in the market for a carpet cleaner, I would definitely recommend this one. And yeah, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. I would love to have you over here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.